Hey guys, Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2026 Forest River Rockwood Geo Pro. It's the 17 LE. Bunk model, non-slide, east to west bed up front. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Also check down in the description. I'll have all your specs, holding tank sizes and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, walking inside, you got your dinette. You've got bunk beds, bathroom, your kitchen on the left. Standing back here looking forward, got your east to west bed, overhead shelf. You do have a spot here for a TV, hanging storage, nice real mattress there, or camper mattress anyway. Your booth dinette does drop down to make a bed. You got drawers, receptacle down low, fire escape window with the roller shade. As soon as you come in, your convenience area, control your awning, your lights, check your holding tanks. You got a receptacle, you got night light and fire extinguisher. In this kitchen area, your furnace, you do have drawers, your goodie bag, nice size sink, 2-burner range with the cover, the thermostat, overhead storage here, cabinets, AC. Over the dinette, you also have storage, but what's nice too, I like to mention, it's got the shocks that hold them up for you. You got a built-in ladder on those bunk beds with receptacles, lighting, and same thing down low. Receptacle, window with blind or roller shade. Not to move around on you, but you got your microwave and then the pots and pans drawer. Fuse panel, circuit breaker, more storage, basically your pantry. And then you've got your 12-volt refrigerator freezer. Bathroom, foot flush toilet, your tub, skylight, roof vent. You got a receptacle here, switch on the wall for the light. And that's it. Your brand new 2026 Forest River Rockwood Geo Pro 17 LE. We'll work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, your front cap, one 20-pound LP bottle, your 7-pin and chain holder built in, single battery box. You got the rock guard, your convenience light. Still get the magnets and the slam latch compartment doors. 17 LE's got a dry weight, 2,663 pounds. Pass-through storage. Your backside of your hot water heater, water and winterization. Still get the off-road tires. Those are 14-inch. Nice large storage area here in the back. 30-amp service. You got all 4-corner manual stabilizer jacks and your black and gray pull valves. Again, still your slam latch doors with the magnets. You're prepped for the Lippert extended ladder here. We don't have the ladder on there. You can order it online, but I will go ahead and take a look at the roof. All right, up on the roof, see your Coleman Mach AC, roof vent, skylight. Nice radius, clean roof. moving around. Prep for a backup camera. Still get the receiver on the back with the 300-pound weight rating. Not for towing, but good for bike rack, storage bin, something like that. Extended rain gutters. Full-length power awning with LED light. Outside power. And you got the quick connect for your LP. Small assist handle. You don't have the friction hinge on the door or the slam for the screen door, but you still get the step above entry steps. Nice and easy to lock and extend with the quick trigger here for those legs for all terrain like what we're in now. Your other side of your pass-through storage. You are prepped for a portable solar panel so you can trickle charge those batteries. Your brand new 2026 Forest River ROCKWOOD GEO Pro. It's the 17 LE. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott.